8.7 Symmetry. A rectangle is a symmetric figure because it can be folded into two congruent halves that fit on top of each other. Each of your fold lies along a line of symmetry. The rectangle has two lines of symmetry. The W at the right has only one line of symmetry. So let's see if we can figure some out. So I have a rectangle piece of paper. If I fold it in half, this slice, both sides are congruent, they're the same. So I'm going to open this up and mark my line of symmetry so I remember. And let's try folding it in another way. The front and the back are the same, they're congruent. I'm going to take a different color and mark that line. Let's see if we can find any more. So this is not a line of symmetry because they don't lie on top of each other. Both sides are not congruent. So if that side didn't work, this side isn't going to work either. So a rectangle has two lines of symmetry. Let's try a square. So here's one, folded in half, both sides the same. Let's try a different way. Fold it in half, both sides are the same. And you don't need different colors, it's just to help me go back and count how many I have. Okay, and the square looks like I can fold it corner to corner. Both are the same. Both are the same. So I need to think, is there any way I can fold this in half that I haven't tried already? I don't think there is. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of symmetry in a square. Let's try the letter R. So some you can look at and tell, but let's try folding it in half this way. Nope, I can still see some of it, so the two halves are not congruent. So let's try folding in half this way. Same thing. They're not the same size, so they're not congruent. It's not a line of symmetry. Do the corners. Nope. Other corner. Nope. So this one has no lines of symmetry. And sometimes that happens. It's all right. So if you are working on this on a worksheet, you can try to trace the shape and then you can fold it to see how many lines of symmetry it has. Or you can just take the page and fold it over. So number 1, I know it's hard to see in the video, but this side folds on top of this side and they're the same. So that would be one line of symmetry. But if I folded it the other way, they would not line up. They aren't congruent. So This shape has one line of symmetry. This shape has two. The S, if I folded an F here, they wouldn't line up right. And they wouldn't if I divided it here. So this one has 0. And the ceiling fan, or triangle looking shape, I could divide it here and they would line up. I could divide it here and they would line up, or here. So this one has 3. Number 5, I could go straight down the middle. That would be 1. Straight through this middle. That'd be 1. And also my diagonal corners. So the shape kind of set up like a square. So this one has 4. And with symmetry, a lot of it, trial and error. If you need more help, please let me know.